Today, we're diving into the secrets of financial success with a book that tells the tale of a man who retired at 49 with $20,000 per month in passive income. No, he didn't hit the jackpot or win a sports championship. Meet John Soforic, the mastermind behind The Wealthy Gardener. This isn't your typical money-making story. It's about good financial choices, discipline, and a mindset that anyone can adopt. So let's unveil the top takeaways from this remarkable journey. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Takeaway number 1. Your wealth is waiting for you. Imagine your life as a garden. It's not about the daily harvest, but the seeds you plant. The road to future wealth is paved with the right habits. Think of your habits as the architects of your destiny, so it's crucial they're the right ones. To kickstart this journey, define your why. Why do you aspire to be wealthy? What sacrifices are you willing to make? If your motivation stems from the desire for freedom rather than flaunting material possessions, then congratulations. You've nailed down a robust why. And let's not forget the golden rule here. Paying yourself first. This timeless advice, straight from the richest man in Babylon, sets the stage for financial success. A reminder that building wealth starts with cultivating the right habits early on. So, as you navigate this financial garden, keep in mind that your habits are the seeds of your wealth. Plant them wisely, water them with discipline, and watch them grow into the fruitful trees of your financial future. And hey, don't forget to pay yourself first. It's the secret sauce that can turn your financial garden into a flourishing oasis. Takeaway number 2. Consumer to owner. Let's talk about leveling up in the game of wealth. It's time to shift from being a consumer to becoming an owner. Picture yourself not just as someone who buys stuff, but as someone who owns a piece of the pie. The Wealthy Gardener preaches the gospel of ownership in stocks, real estate, and even your own business. Whether you're snagging shares of your favorite companies or diving into the world of property investment, ownership grants you a ticket to the income express that only gains steam with time. Now, here's the real magic. Ownership isn't just about having a stake in something. It's about settling yourself up for financial independence in the long haul. Sure, that shiny new gadget might bring temporary satisfaction, but owning a piece of the action? That's like planting seeds of wealth that blossom into a perennial garden of financial freedom. So, next time you're faced with a choice between fleeting pleasure and lasting prosperity, remember, it's not about what you consume, but what you own that counts in the game of wealth building. Takeaway 3. Financial freedom is a noble pursuit. Let's debunk a common myth. Aiming for financial freedom isn't selfish or materialistic. In fact, it's downright noble. Just ask John Soforic, who's seen both ends of the wealth spectrum, from riches to rags and back again. He'll tell you that being strapped for cash isn't just about tight budgets and missed opportunities. It's about living in a constant state of fear and despair. But here's the silver lining. Financial freedom isn't just about padding your bank account. It's about securing your future and opening doors of opportunity to help others along the way. Think about it. When you're financially secure, you're not just looking out for number 1. You're in a position to uplift those around you and make a positive impact on the world. Whether it's supporting charitable causes, funding passion projects, or simply lending a helping hand to those in need. Financial freedom gives you the freedom to spread kindness and generosity wherever you go. So the next time someone scoffs at your dreams of financial independence, remind them that aiming for a secure future isn't just noble, it's downright admirable. Takeaway number 4. Rejecting the status quo. Here's a nugget of wisdom straight from the Wealthy Gardener's playbook. You will not get the richest condition you want, but the poorest condition you will accept. It's a powerful reminder to shake off complacency and aim for the stars. Rejecting the status quo isn't just about financial success. It's about embracing change and growth in every facet of your life, including your investment strategy. Sure, it's easier said than done, but hey, nothing worth having ever came easy, right? So let's break free from the chairs of mediocrity and pursue excellence with fervor. Whether it's in your career, your relationships, or your investment portfolio, refuse to settle for less than what you truly desire. Find your passion, your purpose, and let that drive you towards a brighter tomorrow. Remember, the only way to change your circumstances is to challenge them. So, dare to dream big, dare to disrupt the status quo, and dare to create a life that's truly extraordinary. Takeaway number 5. Recognizing the seasons. Alright, let's dive deeper into this wealth-building journey. Think of it as a 3-act drama, complete with plot twists and character development. First up, we have spring, the learning phase. This is where you're planting the seeds of knowledge, soaking up information like a sponge, and laying the groundwork for your financial future. It's all about honing your skills, building your expertise, and preparing for what's to come. So don't be in a rush to skip this phase. Embrace it, soak it all in, and trust that every lesson learned is a seed planted for future success. Next comes summer, the growth phase. And let me tell you, things start heating up here. This is when those seeds you planted in spring start to sprout, and you begin to see the fruits of your labor. It's a time of expansion, opportunity, and exponential growth. But here's the catch. Patience is still key. Don't expect overnight success. Instead, trust in the process and keep nurturing your investments with care. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your wealth. So soak up the sunshine, keep watering those seeds, and watch as your financial garden flourishes before your eyes. Finally, we reach fall, the harvest, and boy, is it a sight to behold. This is when you reap the rewards of your hard work, patience, and perseverance. It's a time of abundance, celebration, and gratitude for how far you've come. But here's the thing about fall. It's not just about enjoying the fruits of your labor. It's also about reflection and preparation for the seasons to come. Take stock of what worked, what didn't, and how you can continue to evolve and grow. And remember, just as fall gives way to winter, so too must you prepare for the inevitable cycles of life and wealth. So embrace each season for what it is, a chapter in your financial story, and trust that by recognizing and adapting to these seasons, you'll find your way to lasting financial success. There you have it, the distilled wisdom from the wealthy gardener. Remember, your habits are the seeds of your wealth. Ownership accelerates your journey. Financial freedom is a noble pursuit. Rejecting the status quo is crucial, and recognizing the seasons is the key to a bountiful harvest. Now, go out there, plant those seeds, and watch your wealth grow. Thank you for tuning in to another insightful episode of Wealthway. We trust that the strategies and insights discussed here will help you on your financial path. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more wealth-building content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. Until our next rendezvous, continue your journey towards financial success, and always remember, your wealth is within reach.